Hello mathematicians, I hope by the end of this video you can say I can divide whole numbers. So let's get into an example here. So we have 108 divided by 6. This is a division symbol right here, which you have seen quite often. There also are a few other ways that we could notate this. Let's go over that really quick here. You might also see this little slash here, so you could have 108 divided by 6 this way, or you also could see something like this. We have 108 over 6. Again, this is a fraction bar here, but again, the fraction bar, that just means division. That's what a fraction is. That's 108 divided by 6. So all three of these mean the same thing. These all mean division. So we have our kind of normal, our standard division symbol. We have this little slash, or we have this fraction bar right here. All of them mean division. So now let's get into an example of, let's go with 108 divided by 6 using our standard division algorithm here. So this right here, this means 108 divided by 6. So the first number or the top number goes on the inside of here. The second number or the bottom number goes on the outside. Okay, so now we ask ourselves one at a time. So we go, how many times does 6 go into 1? Well, 6 does not go into 1 at all. So nothing goes on top of the 1. How many times does 6 go into 10? Well, it goes in there once, because if we went in there twice, we get 12, and that's bigger than 10, so that doesn't work. So now we go 1 times 6, that gives us 6. And now we subtract these numbers. So 10 minus 6 gives us 4. And now we just bring down that 8. And now we ask ourselves, how many times does 6 go into 48? Well, I know that 6 times 8 equals 48. So I put 48 right here. And we get no remainder. So we get 108 divided by 6 to give us 18. So that was just a quick example of how to use this standard division algorithm, as well as go over the different division symbols. I think probably this symbol and this fraction bar symbol are what you're going to see most often. This one maybe a little bit less or so, but all three of these mean division. I hope by now, and with a little bit of practice, you can say I can divide whole numbers.